Minista muviani wa kinandu John Mbadi niwaweta kana Silikali niyovete kavyu ukuli kuikiithya kana Wiw'Ano wa maundu ikumi kati wa kyama cha UDA na ODM na ula wekiiwe saii ni President William Ruto na ula wa Mutongoi wa ODM mututia Raila Odinga mweini wa katatu mwaka muvitu ainenea ofisini kwake kabinda kala wakomana na amemba ma komiti ya kuikiithya maundu ikumi ni mathukumithwa. Mbadi ni wasekana President Ruto nominate na kwathana kukwata mbau komiti ino kuikiithya maundu ni mathukumithwa. Mwandiki wetu wa mauvu kuma kauntini ya Ilovi mwaka mweu na ilivote.
Vatiele miei ili mwaka uthele kuma ila President William Ruto na ula we Mutongoi wa kyama cha ODM mututia Raila Odinga kwikia saii ya Wiw'Ano wa kuthukuma ungu wa walanio wa Silikali nthanthau. Yu Silikali ni vikite na kuikiithya imwe cia itu 10 cia Wiw'Ano usu. Kiche umbulwa ni Minista wa kinandu John Mbadi kavindani kalae komanite na memba manza maila yanyiviwe kuikiithya kana Wiw'Ano usu ni watiwa.
Tell you I have interacted with the NGCDF pesa whether we change the modeling or what how would you let it remain.
Minister Mbadi niwaweta kana kufikia yu Silikali nene ni nengelelete Silikali cia kaunti ya mama uthukumi mayo na alama seletwe kuthewa nthini wa Silikali cia mitiuko.
The transfer of the value functions, I think we have made tremendous progress in terms of unbundling the functions. I will tell you, this government has done quite a lot. A lot of the things that appeared like the government, the national government was unwilling to do, we have done. And we are now doing the costing, that intergovernmental body is very busy. They have done, and we are ready to follow functions with money.
Naitina wa kwithiwa na monyungu nisio maingi yulu wa kuselewa kwa ilovila sienda Silikali ni cia county. Mbadi yaweta kana yini jo evinda yambe kuma Silikali cia mitiuko sioka Silikali kulecha ilovia isu fata kuselesia.
First time I think since devolution began, when division of revenue was concluded in a record. Before the end of the financial year, there was no need for mediation. We concluded before 30th of June. Why? Because we just decided to take telephone calls. Majority leader, minority leader, they called me. Budget committee chair, they sat together and called me and told me we are proposing 420. Actually, that was the number. I told them, why can't we meet midway 415? Senate, National Assembly, they were together. And the Treasury agreed with them. And we agreed and we passed.
Kavindani kama Minister Mbadi niwaweta kana noneki yekithito kuikiithya kana Silikali ni yavikiana kuiva mathie manthi ya Kenya evindani zila zelite na kuvono cha nthi ino ya Kenya kulika kiwangoni cha nthi ila itatona kuiva mathie mayo.
Well, the problem we had here is not even about the expensive loans, debt service. We were asking, are we going to be able to pay debts? That has been the question. Actually, you heard me mention, and the President has also mentioned, that IMF had categorized Kenya among 6 countries in Africa, which were going to default, not which were likely. No. Default was guaranteed, it was when? All the 5 have defaulted. It's only us.
Dilivotia vilingi wa movo kuma kauntini Ilovi nitoa mwaka mweu.